Hello, this is How to Teach Iceland. My name is Axel and these are some occupations in Icelandic. If you're a university student, you are a háskólanemi. If you're a specialist of any kind, you are a fræðingur. If you're an engineer, then you are a verkfræðingur. If you're a customer service representative, you are a þjónustufulltrúi. If you're a nurse, you're a hjúkrunarfræðingur. If you're a lawyer, you're a lögfræðingur. If you're a salesman, you're a sölumaður. If you're a teacher, you're a kennari. If you're a secretary, you're a ritari. If you're an accountant, you're a bókari. If you're a CEO, then you're a forstjóri. If you're a managing director, you're a framkvæmdastjóri. If you're an office clerk, you're either a skrifstofumaður or skrifstofukona. Maður, kall, man, kona, woman. If you're a cashier, you're a gjaldkeri. Okay, bye!